Oh, I'd like to say this is a new tool review, but it's not. Oh, Milwaukee, what is going on? What is going on? I'm having so much trouble at the minute with your tools. This is the hedge trimmer attachment. This went wrong. Oh, there it goes. Oh, look at that, vibrating and rattling and rolling. I'm going to go right from the beginning. Let's start with, well, let's start with the nut gun. Right, here we go. The Milwaukee collection that we've got. I've got a range of everything here. I've got the nut gun, we've got the multi-tool, ratchet, M12 sander, M18 drill combo, air blower, belt sander, the Orbital sander, power head, hedge trimmer, strimmer, pole light, and the chainsaw. So I've got a lot of stuff, but it keeps going faulty. It's been a nightmare. So the first thing that I did a video on was the nut gun. This has been a faithful gun. It has been good. Bought it. It's the high impact, it's the big one. It had a lot of use. I was using it every day for loads and loads of work, but within 3 weeks, bloody gutted. This is what I'm getting at the minute. Trigger's fully depressed. It's rotating really slowly with no power at all. It's juddering and jerking, and there's a bit of a smell coming from the back. Was doing all kinds of weird things. Sent it away. The warranty was fantastic. They came and collected it from the house, picked it up, took it away and sent it back, and it's been fine ever since. We did have the little dirty trigger issue, which we cleaned, and that was all right afterwards. Just jammed. It started giving me little problems again. Like that. Nothing happening. Press the trigger. Everything's good on there. Pop the battery off. Put it back on again. The problem I'm getting with this at the minute is if I go to do a nut up slowly, I press the trigger in gently, nothing, all the way in, and it's not even started spinning. Press it quickly, it works. But when you want to do a nut slowly, press slowly, it kind of makes a little noise, and then it's trying. Right in, nothing. You can hear it doing stuff in the back, but it doesn't go on a really slow speed anymore. That is now out of warranty. So it's either carry on as I am, or I've got to send it off and have that repaired. Pain, that's a pain. The Orbital sander. I'd had this about 6 months again, and I'll show you what happens. This should, when you start it, should vibrate, not do a full motion spin. It just goes into a full-on spin. It's just spinning at 1,000,000 miles an hour. And if you're coming to do some sanding work, if you're not actually holding it onto something before you start it, if you go at it and it leaves a big gash where you're sanding, so it renders it useless, really. It's just a real pain. I sent this away 6 months after I'd had it. It went away for repair. They charged me 30 quid, replaced this, saying that the Velcro head was a bit worn. So I ended up paying £30 for a new head on it. It was a little bit better, but it was back to spinning at 1,000,000 miles an hour within a few weeks. I just haven't got round to sending it back off again because you've got other things to do, haven't we? So yeah, and that now is out of warranty. So that's a pain. Then, my faithful hedge trimmer. This is the Quick-Lok system. So I use this for the strimmer and the hedge trimmer. I've got the chainsaw, which doesn't come out. I very use the chainsaw, but I'm using the hedge trimmer quite a lot. You know, I've got quite a lot of garden to do, but nothing other than it's using it for myself. I'm not running a business or a gardening company or anything like that. So it's literally household use. What went first? This started rattling. This, when you started it up, it was like rattling away. That went wrong. I checked the warranty and it was just in. It was just in warranty. I took out the extended warranty on it when you do it online. So sent this off. They sent me a brand spanking new one through. So whatever was wrong with the original one wasn't repairable. They sent me a new one, which is fantastic. But you sort of ask the question, how long before this one packs up? Am I only going to get another 2 years out of it before it's completely knackered? And then I've got to buy a new one because the warranty will be finished now, because this is out of warranty now. Anyway, so that went wrong. And then I was chopping the hedges last week with the hedge trimmer attachment on there, and this started making a racket. And listen to this. I was merrily cutting the hedges. Oh, there it goes. Oh, look at that, vibrating and rattling and rolling. Something inside the gearbox here has gone awry. Oh, it don't sound good. Yeah, so I stripped it down. I took it all to bits thinking, let's have a look, see if I can see what's wrong with it. Checked all the gearbox, and it's nice in there. It's meaty, it's got plenty of metal in there, but a bearing or something on the bottom inside here that I couldn't get to must have collapsed, which was causing the problem. Check the warranty on it. This had got the extended 2 years warranty on it. It was a day before it ran out. It was the day before it. I couldn't believe it. I thought, oh my word. So I got straight on, filled the application in online. They came and collected it from the house, and I've just got this back, and it's been replaced. Brand spanking new one again. So whatever was wrong with it, they couldn't fix it. They've just replaced it. But have I got any confidence in it now? How long is it going to last? Is it going to give me another 2 years before it fails? My old faithful steel one, the petrol strimmer up there. Do you know that I had that for 5-6 years? It's doing the same jobs as this without a bit of trouble at all, and it's still going strong. Yet I've had issues with this. When I did the original comparison with the Still, the video when I first bought it, I did point out the weaknesses and how small the gearbox was compared to the Still. Big, strong gearbox with 6 mounting screws on the back. The Milwaukee one, by comparison, it's half the size, isn't it? It really is a lot smaller. We've got the adjuster plate there. It's in a slightly different arrangement, but it's a lot smaller by comparison. So yeah, like I say, I'm losing confidence. I've spent a lot of money on the Milwaukee kit. Recent purchases, which I've not done the reviews on yet, but I've got to get around to it at some point. The little mini belt sander, which I absolutely love. This is a banging bit of kit. I've been using it on many applications, and it's a power sander. It's the M12. It's beautiful. How long is it going to last? I don't know. So there's that one. Again, new multi-tool. My old multi-tool that I'd got, it was okay. It wasn't too bad. It was wired. This is amazing. It is just, I can't tell you how good it is. The use I've had with it, cutting in fine places, plastics, wood, it's just amazing. The speed of the cut and the vibration on it is brilliant. The tools are good. That's what does me head in. The tools are good. They're good at what they do, but if they're not reliable, am I going to have to sell it all and go back to Makita? I don't know. I don't know. Got a lot of stuff to replace if we have to do that. So come on, Milwaukee. Get your act together. Let's get some quality switches and components in these guns and things, because something's not going right. Either the quality has dropped and the stuff isn't lasting anymore, or I've just been really unlucky. I don't know. Drop me some comments if you've got tools and you're having troubles. So far I've been lucky with the warranty on all of this. Most of it's been changed. Obviously that is out of warranty now, so I don't know what I'm going to do with that, but hey ho, we'll sort that out. Yes, if you've got problems, let me know. Am I on my own? Am I the one that's having issues? Drop me a little thumbs up, like and subscribe, and I shall keep in touch with you and see you in another video. Thanks for watching.
today's gonna be a good day. Wake up, today's gonna be a good day. Wake up, today's gonna be a good day. Wake up, today's gonna be a good day.